Why wheel alignment matters for every vehicle. Wheel alignment is a key component of routine vehicle maintenance that ensures your tires are aligned to your vehicle manufacturer's specifications. This adjustment is essential for maintaining proper handling, maximizing fuel efficiency, and extending the life of your tires. Everyday driving, especially over potholes, curbs, or rough roads, can knock your wheels out of alignment. Over time, even small alignment issues can lead to uneven tire wear, a shaky ride, and extra stress on your suspension system. At RiceTire, our certified technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to perform precise wheel alignment services, helping you drive safer, smoother, and longer between tire replacements. What is a wheel alignment? A wheel alignment involves adjusting the suspension components of your vehicle so that your wheels are set to the optimal angles: camber, toe, and caster. These angles affect how your tires contact the road and how your vehicle handles. Together, these adjustments ensure your wheels are working in sync, helping to improve steering accuracy and tire performance. Do you need a wheel alignment? Look for these signs. Not sure whether your vehicle needs an alignment? Here are 5 signs that it's time to schedule a wheel alignment with RiceTire. Number 1. Uneven tire wear. Check your tires. Do you notice more wear on the inside or outside edges, or signs of scalloping or feathering? These abnormal patterns are a strong indication that your alignment is off. Number 2. Loose or sloppy steering. If your vehicle feels like it's wandering or you have to overcorrect while steering, you may have a misalignment. Proper alignment keeps your vehicle driving straight and responsive. Number 3. Steering wheel doesn't return to center after making a turn. Your steering wheel should return naturally to the center position. If it doesn't, it's a sign your wheel angles are incorrect. Number 4. Vehicle pulling to one side. If your car consistently pulls left or right, especially on a flat road, it likely needs an alignment. While a slight pull can be normal due to road crown, a constant tug to one side is not. Number 5. Off-center steering wheel. Is your steering wheel level when you're driving straight? If not, and the emblem or spokes appear tilted, it's time to have your alignment checked. How often should you get a wheel alignment? It's a good idea to schedule a wheel alignment. Routine wheel alignments can extend the lifespan of your tires, save you money on fuel, and prevent unnecessary wear and tear on your steering and suspension systems. RiceTire, your local wheel alignment experts. At RiceTire, we make wheel alignment easy and hassle-free. With over a dozen convenient locations across Maryland, Virginia, DC Metro, and Pennsylvania, we're always close to home. Why choose RiceTire for your alignment? Thousands of 5-star Google reviews from happy customers. Advanced computerized alignment equipment. Technicians trained in precision alignment and tire care. Trusted for over 60 years by Mid-Atlantic drivers. Whether you drive a front-wheel drive sedan, a high-performance sports car, or an all-wheel drive SUV, our team is equipped to handle both 2-wheel and 4-wheel alignments with precision. Why alignment matters for tire. Life and performance. Misaligned wheels cause your tires to wear unevenly and faster than they should, costing you more in replacements. But the impact doesn't stop there. Bad alignment can. A quick visit to RiceTire for a wheel alignment can help avoid these issues and ensure your vehicle performs at its best. Schedule your wheel alignment today. If you've noticed your vehicle drifting, tires wearing unevenly, or your steering just doesn't feel right, it's time to get your wheel alignment checked. Call us to schedule your alignment appointment. Ask about combining your alignment with a tire rotation or oil change for full-service maintenance. We're proud to be your trusted tire and auto maintenance shop, offering exceptional service, honest recommendations, and expert repairs.